Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about creating a pivot table using Google Sheets. So here's that spreadsheet again that we've been using so often, and I'm going to highlight everything that is in the spreadsheet because I want to get some averages here, and I don't want to have to do it myself. So what I do is I go down to Data, and I'm going to say Pivot Table. Once I open up the pivot table, I don't have any data in it, but you'll notice that it is giving me some suggestions. And one of them is average of March 4 through 8 for each subject. So I'm going to use that one because that's what I want. I want an average of that week. So I click on that. And when I do, now it has actually put the averages in there for me for each of the subjects. So now I want to add some more values. So I click Add Values. And it's going to say, well, what kind of values do you want to add? So when I do that, I'm going to be able to choose from March 4 through 8 again, or I'm going to choose the March 11th through 15th because that's the second week. So I click on that. And when I do that, it's going to ask me, okay, we're going to use a sum. And I don't want to use the sum because the sum, I don't want them all combined together. I want to get an average. So I'm going to click on that little disclosure arrow and I'm going to go down to average. Right? And then I'm going to do the same thing all over again to add that third week of March. So I'm going to click, we want to add some more data, and I'm going to click on the last week of March, and I'm going to make sure that we take out the sum and we put in the average. And when I do that, you'll see I have averages for those 3 weeks, and then I have a grand total of the averages, of all 3 of the averages. So that's actually really, really cool. I can get a whole lot of data, a whole lot of information with just a few clicks, and it looks like I spent a long time. Thanks for watching.